In case your computer is shared by more than one people, it makes sense to create multiple user accounts. And to create and manage multiple user accounts in Microsoft Windows 10, you have to go to the Start menu right here, right click on it, go to Settings, and then go to User Account Settings from right over here into Accounts. So once you go into Account over here, you'll be able to see that this is the only account in my PC right over here, and I have the administrator privileges. So there are again two types of accounts. So we're going to talk about that as we create a new user. So once I go into family and other user, I can manage other users. So right now you can see that I can add in a family member, and then I can add it as a child, and the end user is still having to accept it out. So it's in pending mode right here. So let's go around and add in a new user from scratch. So to add in user, not as a family member, but even as a regular user, you can add someone else to the PC right over here, and the Microsoft account will open up. So you can either type in their email or phone, but if they do not have it, or you do not want it, you just want to create a local account, which in many cases is the case, you simply have to click on I don't have this person's sign in information, just like this. So once you click that, a local account will be created, and it'll prompt you to create a new email address, just like that. So if you don't want to create a new email address for the new user, you can simply click on add a new user without Microsoft account, just like that. So just like that, it says who's going to use your PC. I'm just going to say tutor tube2. So this is going to be the username, and it says enter a password. So I'm just going to enter password right over here. You have to re-enter the password to make sure they match. I'm just going to add in random answers right over here, just like that. And I'm going to press next. And the new user account has been added right over here. And now the added benefit of the new user account is that they'll have a separate desktop. They'll have a separate color scheme. They'll have a separate software setting. So it will be like a fresh new PC for them, where your softwares will not start up in their account. Your color scheme will not be set up there. So they'll have a separate PC. So over here, even the documents, like they'll have their own in their user account. So now what else you can do is you can change the account type right over here. So right now you can see that as I click on change account type, it's a standard user, meaning the user can log in and manage the files by themselves, but they cannot add in any new applications from the web. So they cannot install an exe file, but what they can do is they can actually download apps from the Microsoft Store only. So if you want to change that, then what you can do is give them administrator privileges. So this lets them install softwares and add in new users as well, and manage the computer's system settings as well. So just like that, I can change the account type, press OK, and that has been set. So once you actually log into the new account, it'll be set up as a new computer. So it'll take some time to sign in the first time. But this is also usually a good option when you want to troubleshoot when your user account is not actually working well. So you want a fresh PC setting and to troubleshoot, then you can actually create new administrator account as well. So then it comes down to removing the account altogether. So once you don't want the account, that's the remove button right here. Once you click on it, it says delete account and data. So their desktop data, their document data, their internet data, all will be deleted once you do that. So once I click on it, the account will be deleted, just like that. So that is how you can add, manage, and remove user accounts inside of Microsoft Windows 10. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.